Okay, got the cover all cleaned up now. So this is our 54 to 57 cover, we think it is. So you look inside the bushing holes and look for any torn up material. They actually look pretty good. They feel pretty smooth. They actually might be good. So I had a lot of muck inside this breather hole. You can see all the gray and dull black in there. I had some pretty black gooey crap blew out of that. So it looks pretty good on the outside. So the nickel that's left on here, it blends in with the aluminum pretty good, and it'll dull just like the aluminum does over time too, so it doesn't really too bad. Leave it like this, which I am. So this gives me a good cover to use for mocking up my maybe new race motor over here. So this is the 62 case. And this is our 53 case. Now this cover would have came on the 53 case. Well, 54. If it's a 54, it would have came on it. There's no dowels on here, so I don't really know how good it goes, but it goes like that. This one has the case dowels on it still. So we still got our 2 dowel pins here. Now to check the fit of the cam in this, I put the reamers in here. I don't have any laying around right now in front of me to test with. So we can take our tools over here, which is our assorted reamers. This is a big twin cam. A little bit of wear. Push down, go side to side. If you feel side to side, it's bad. If you feel rocked, that's okay, but if you can feel it going this way and this way, it's loose. I think there's a little bit in there. So it's worn. It's worn evenly, so it's worn. It is a little loose, but not real bad, so it could be used the way it is if I wanted to. Depends on how loose you want it to be. And then our center hole here, that's a 9/16. Just the Jim's reamer here. It's actually pretty tight. I actually had this turned down 1 hour or so it's actually a pretty good fit. So overall, I think these bushings are probably pretty damn nice. Until you actually put the real parts in there, you don't really know how loose they really are, because the parts do vary a little bit too. But yeah, this cover is pretty damn nice condition. Considering how bad it looked, I didn't get I got a decent price on it. So sometimes you score pretty good. So this turned out to be a pretty nice looking cover. I don't see anything really wrong with it yet. Everything I look at is still good. So that's a big plus. So in our mock-up motor here, see how good it fits on that. It's not going to just slide right on. It's trying to, but not quite. Those shafts in there are screwing with it right now. I think the dowels are probably pretty not too bad. You want it to be a relatively tight fit anyway, not super loose. See, the dowels have clearance. It's just alignment, but I think these shafts here are not quite where they belong. This doesn't even have a screw on this one. If I beat that on, it'd be hard to get it off. So, not without having a cam or something on there. That would keep me from doing it, but best if I didn't do that. So anyway, that's what it looks like on a motor. So I can use that for mocking up, and I don't really like this design for my motors, but it's a race bike, it don't really matter. So yeah, it might be a race motor, who knows. Yet to be determined. Alright, either way the cam cover looks pretty good on there, so we'll leave it on there for mock-up because we're going to need one on there anyway for playing with. So, there we go. One more part to that combination, collecting parts to build it. Alright, there you go.